A very wonderful evening to everyone sitting over here. I am Khushi with my co-partner Nisha from BR Bio Beauty Limited. Here today we are gathered to showcase our upcoming products that have been recently bought into the market. A huge variety of products are there in market, but they are not chemical free or organic and of natural colors. But here we have organic products with natural color, the beetroot products. What picture you are getting by hearing the name beetroot? Yes, they are chemical free, they are colorful and as well as organic. Nisha, we are having a variety of products in our company. So could you please name those products?
Yeah, of course. We have a different kinds of product, like for a girl and for a boy as well. And everyone think about beauty products, so they are only of girls. But no, we have launched the boys product as well. As we know that boys are also fond of their beauties and how they are looking at. So we are launching a face wash, a beetroot face wash, shampoos, hair oil, and many more things like a beetroot cream, which give you natural color. As we know that beetroot have its own natural color, so it enhance your beauty, it reduce your irritations of faces. And for a girl, I must say that you have a great opportunity to get your beauty glance. Like if Navratri is around the corner and you have to do makeup all the 9 days, so it is the best time to use our product. As if you use our eyelashes, if you use our some of the products, like I have a highlighter, or I can say a liner as well. It can highlight your cheeks and it can use as a eyeliner. The second one, which can be used by boys as well, a lip balm. And for a girl it is kind of a lipstick without any irritation or without any crack on their lips. As we know, whenever we use lipsticks, it's so messy and it will always irritate us in any program. Are you agree with this? Yes. So this is the product which give you a natural glance on your beauty, and it will enhance your beauty. As it is natural, there is no any side effect, no any toxic product in it, so you can really get it.
Nisha, what about this lipstick if it gets empty?
Oh shit, it is empty and she used it actually. Didn't see it. So we can do one thing, that with our product, as we know now it is useless and now it can be a waste. But no, it is not a waste. You can take out this lipstick and you can use it. And even we are producing a packets of lipstick, solid packets, for which you have to just warm it for some times and it will be liquefied. You can again pour it inside it, and within 2 hours it will be solidified. And again you can use this lipstick as reusable lipstick. You get this lipstick in that shade. And what about the transportation? Do you think about transportation? And not about transportation, what about where you get this raw material? As we know that beetroot, it can't be find everywhere. So how you find this?
This beetroot, actually the farming is done of beetroot. So we have been through the villages and we met to the farmers. From them we have a talk for this.
Okay, before this, just give me one question answer, Khushi. That from where you are starting this product launching, like from where you are started, in which area you are starting your product, like
selling?
In whole India or just from here?
From whole India. First we exported in Gujarat, as Navratri was around the corner, so we exported in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Surat, and as well as in Madhya Pradesh also.
Okay, so you are using as we can say festival is around the corner, so you are using festival as a good time to launch your product.
Yes.
And do you tell me about what is your upcoming product, if this product will work as a good?
Yeah, the leaves of beetroot consist of vitamin C. So we are launching the serum of vitamin C of the beetroot leaves.
Okay, vitamin C, as we can say, it is really important for our skin. It decreases the irritation and it brings the glow of our skin, and it is good for acne as well. As we can say that acne for the teenagers, acne is normal thing. So it can reduce your acne problems as well. Okay, so Now let me explain you the transportation and how we are making this material over here, and how we are bringing it from the farmers, and they are getting profit in this business. As we collaborate with the farmers, many farmers in area of MP, and they are cultivating it in their farms, and they provide us in a good amount of beetroots, and we are providing them a good amount of money as well, as it is difficult them to sell this product in the mandi and the fair, whatever it is. So we are providing them a higher quality, higher quantity, and we are getting this amount in a bulk as well.
That's been our time, and hope so you come and glance yourself in this product company.
So first of all, have an enthusiastic evening to all of you guys. I am Shyam, and with my friend Sanskar, we are here to launch a product which is based on a security or a protection purpose. But as you know that these days traffics are too much, and it is quite difficult to manage like accidents. So we are here with a company of Tech Helm. It is a helmet company which is based on a high-tech technology protection. But I have a question that should we wear a helmet or not? So here most of the answers are like we should. So why people don't wear it? It is just due to the size, or it is quite difficult to hold it, and it is just like it is difficult to manage it while going somewhere, or somewhere it looks weird as well. So we are here with the solution of this problem. So my friend Sanskar will explain you the features of helmet. Thank you.
So as my friend Sham said, because sometimes helmet look like weird. So we have a complete solution for that. First of all, good evening to everyone, and I am Sanskar, and I am coming with our product, coming with a product Tech Helm. So first of all, it is a lightweighted, because some of the companies like Steelbirds, Vega Off, and Royal Enfield come with a weight of around 200 to 250 grams. But we are creating our helmet like 160 to 200 grams. So it is lighter in weight, and which help us to ride so long. And second one is that it is come with a Google Assistant. If you got a call from somewhere, so you have to just put finger on the button, and then after you pick up your call. And third one, it is complete with AI. In this modern world, AI helps in our helmet. So if you feel some insecurity, especially in girls, so you have to press a button and you have to say unsafe. This helmet is connected with the phone, and phone directly called to the police, ambulance, and your favorite members. You have put that data on that AI. And fourth one is that it is a customizable. If you want to customize your helmet, like you have to write your name on that helmet. So we provide that facility also in that helmet. And fifth one is it is a water resistance, because sometimes if you are driving a bike, scooty, and in a road, so you are facing rainy season. So in that, water droplets come in the shutter, in the glass shutter, and it stick, and it creates a hurdle if you are riding that. So we create a solution for that. If you are riding with our helmet, so it can't stick water droplets in our helmet in glass, and you are freely to ride anywhere. And fifth one, it comes with a solar sticks, because you know the solar panel is like a heart, but we get a help of the HBL power, and they provide solar sticks with solar strips. We are put over in that on the helmet, and which charge your battery, and over that we put epoxy resin for that. It protects from the scratches and the upcoming accidents. And over that, Sham will tell you.
So as Sanskar said, it will reduce all the damages, but as we compare with the normal helmets, we have designed it in such a way that if a bicycle driver will reduce his damage by 60%, and the riders, all the riders or bike riders can reduce their damage, head damage by 70%. So that's all from us. If you like to buy the product, you can contact with our team. Thank you all.
Good evening everyone, I am Irfan Khan, and I am owner of the Fit and Fine protein. I am going to launch Fit and Fine protein because it is a very necessary all peoples, because it is time to many protein available in market, but we are launching a good protein. So tell you.
Good evening everyone, this is Gaurav and I am the co-founder of the Fit and Fine protein. As he mentioned that there are a lot of protein in the market, but every protein we have observed that in one scoop they only provide 15 to 10 grams of protein. But in our protein, in one scoop there will be 30 gram of protein as well as 100 gram of fiber and 1 gram of carb. And it will easily enhance your bone density, it will reduce the stress, and it may help you in your hair fall or hair grow disease. And I'm under the weather actually. I'm having some problems.
Yeah. So it is a very good protein because many people face many people intake of proteins and some other source of protein, vegetarian or non-vegetarian, doesn't matter, and face a acne problem and digestion, constipation problems, and decrease bone density. So we have launched it is a herbal type of protein. It is a good for you, everybody like everyone is good, because it is a protein in 30 grams protein. Gaurav also mentioned a 30 gram in 1 bar protein. It is a protein bar, not a protein. It is a protein bar. It's a chocolatey, and it is available many flavors: vanilla, chocolate, and mango. So it is a very good for every person, and it is a digestion very easily, and it is a made for herbal content. So that look like Gokshura and Ashwagandha and Dhuli Musli. So it is in case your bone density, in case your power, strength and muscle recovery. So that doesn't matter you go to gym or you don't go to gym. But it is a need everything. It is a need every person in protein because science according, and you are weight 65 kg, so you intake whole day 65 gram protein, first class protein. So we are providing first class protein, not a second class protein. So many companies provided second class protein and third class protein. So we are providing first class protein.
So as we have seen that protein price is very higher, like 8,000 per kilo, I think. But our 8,000 or 4,000 per kilo, actually I don't know. So our protein is around only 2,000 per kilo, and half of kilo it's only 980 rupees for some offers, with some offers. And you can get it from our website fitandfine.com, and from there you can also check out our other products like our hydrolyzed protein and our protein bars and etc. things. And I think you guys are wondering that does it has any side effects? No, it does not has. Like a lot of as he mentioned that a lot of protein provide the problem of constipation, acne and hair loss. But I also mentioned that it will be enhance your endurance. It will work for your muscle recovery, and it will also easy for digestion. And if you guys are wondering that what herbal products we have used, he I mentioned ashwagandha and ginseng and turmeric, but we have used a lot of herbal products in that. We can't name everything, but it will take a time. We have a shortage of time, so thank you guys.
I am Rani along with my partner Sandeep, and today we guys are here to launch our product, that is Eco Bristle. So could you please elaborate something about Eco Bristle?
Good evening everyone, I am Sandeep Patidar, and we know that today many products are coming in market, then we do this. Me and do this. Forget. Do, do, do this for which is forgetting in all the things. Then me and my team launch.
Okay, let's continue. So we have launched Eco Bristle. That means we have converted neem bamboo stick into a toothbrush. That is a healthy option of using a toothbrush. There are so many pros and cons about our product, and I know about it. And we have worked about Eco Bristle. The world who is fully depending on the technology, we have launched our Eco Bristle. Now I know there are one question that must be raising in your mind about plants. If we are making a toothbrush from plants, so obviously it is a main cause, I can say, of deforestation. But it is not. We are also taking care of the substantial farming agroforest, and there are n numbers of things. And by using Eco Bristle, could you please name, firstly, I want to ask that whenever we use some toothbrush, so do you think that there are causes of toothbrush? We choose any kind of toothbrush. So there are a numbers of causes. Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah.
This product we made from neem and which is work on Ayurveda herb, and it's a very this product is very beneficial in your body. Then because we are selling a very low price in market. That you can.
Whenever we go to our hometowns, we really can relate that we used to brush with datun. Do you agree with that? So we have converted that datun to our toothbrush. So like I know there are n numbers of people who cannot use healthy products on a daily basis. Like no, we cannot fetch datun from our hometown by using for daily basis. That's why we have converted into a toothbrush that the people can use on a daily basis, and we have also created toothpaste as well with the natural herbs. Could you please tell me about the price of our product?
I said that because this product is very low price, and first price is 15 rupees. And toothpaste price was around 16 rupees.
So good evening everyone, this is Jatin here, and let me know you guys that I am the co-founder of FCC. And what FCC? FCC is Fire Clothing Collection. So I think you got it, my point, that why I am here. That I am here for selling my product of clothes. And what is difference in that? Nothing is difference. That if as you know that winter season is around the corner, so may I ask you that who likes the winter season? Could you please raise your hand? So many of you raise your hands, and you didn't, so it's not the case. So that in our upcoming days that winter season is around the corner, and we are organizing some clothes like as you've seen that sweaters, hoodies are there, and it's not a full of 100% cotton, and we will provide you 100% cotton fabric is there. And our motto is that the faith of our customers only, and if you trust once, and you will get the result automatically. Oh, got it. And the thing is that I am the co-founder, as I said, and I have 5 years of experience in this field of FCC, that Fire Clothing Collection. And I have my partner as well. She has 8 years of experience, but somehow she is not here for the health issues. So I am here to tolerate you all. So Sorry guys, I'm kidding just, and let you know guys that I said that 100% of cotton, and I can assure that if you purchase it for once, I'll assure that it would be the pure cotton, 110% cotton. If you guys have any queries over that and want to ask any questions, so you can easily ask, and so I'll let you know about. Do you have any? All right. So why she asked me that why you will purchase our products. So first thing is there that we'll provide you in the pocket friendly cost. The for the winter season we have the jackets and hoodies are there. For the gym members, there would be provide some gym clothes are there, outfits, and it's up to starting from 499 only in the pure 110% cotton fabric. All right. So as I mentioned that our product would be pocket friendly, and the second thing is that it would be easy to wash. You can easy to wash and wear it, put it from for a long time, like 1 year. You can ask that if you will buy this product this year in 2024, definitely sure, mark my words guys, that you will use it for next year